All right, we're on the road again today. We're headed out in the Winterton Rollback for an accident at 3400 West State on a police dispatch, and we'll take you along for the ride. That was no big deal. We was able to get backed into that mess in the turn lane there, and we just drove it up on the bed and chained it down, and away we go. We'll go put it in the yard and let the customers come clean it out or do whatever they need to do with their insurance company. So that's kind of a routine for us, gathering these wrecks up out on the highways and the freeway and interstates in the Winterton Rollback, of course. That was pretty typical for an on-road tow, and we stay plenty busy doing on-road and off-road and in the shop and doing all the other things in life we're passionate about. So thanks for coming along for the ride. All right, we're out here on our annual spring break, what do you call it, camping trip out south of Hurricane. We come just straight south of town and set up. Always have good food, good eats, good people here to enjoy it with, so we're just out here having fun. We always come out on Wednesday or Thursday and spend the week and clean up the campgrounds and pick up the nails and get the old fire pits cleaned up. So always a good time, always something to do. So we're just out here enjoying ourselves and getting ready to have a little bit of grub. Oh yeah, look at that. Got Alan out here. He's camera shy. Everybody's out of here. Everybody's going on a ride without us while I cook. See them lined up down there. I'll be over for getting them later. We're on the road again today. It's a busy day over here. Just got a big cleanup going on at Winterton Shooting Range. Got a big group down here from the desert roads and trails, and we're out here picking up garbage. So we're working our way in here. All right, we're out here. I was running a little late this morning, but we finally got out of bed. So what we got going on, I got the whole crew from Desert Roads and Trails and UPLA and the crew, four-wheeling crew, but got the BLM out here, got the Winterton City backhoe, got the old Nissan, old trusty. She's getting pretty tired, but she still does her job. We're just out here cleaning up and having a good old time. Hey, you guys remember this guy right here riding on the Nodwell up there?
Yeah, that was fun.
He thought that was the best thing ever.
Yeah, you ain't lying.
There's Ash. Ash the man. Anyways, we're having a time out here today. I'm about ready to get rid of this sweatshirt because it finally got a little warm.
I got a little more insulation, so I had to get rid of my...
On that helicopter, but I had a commitment, so I stuck with it. It was sure tempting to leave these guys in the dust for that helicopter ride, though. Would you have left us in the dust for a helicopter ride?
Probably.
I probably should have left him in the dust for a helicopter ride. All right, we've got that 40-yard dumpster full of garbage, and that's all from shooting debris. So if you guys want your public shooting ranges shut down, then just keep leaving your garbage for everybody else to clean up. We're having a good time either way. There's lots more for where that came from. We could probably fill 3 or 4 of those dumpsters up with just cardboard and shooting debris. So take care of your garbage. Man, it's a mess. Got Ash running the backhoe, and got the Desert Roads and Trails and the UPLA out here. Got Jeff. Hi everybody. He's the organizer behind all this. He's not the organizer of the mess, but he's the organizer of the cleanup. So one of them. We're having a good time today. About got her done. Well, we got it started. We could fill 3 or 4 more dumpsters up.
I think we could.
All right. Well, that was a lot of fun. We get out here on probably 4 or 5 of those cleanups a year. Work over our public ground. It's sure nice. Laverton City brought the backhoe up. Got Ashley to run it. We did a cleanup up there at the Laverton shooting range. It's on BLM ground, and it's a public range, and it gets abused and people don't take care of their garbage. And so just a heads up, if you want to continue to shoot on public ground, then you probably ought to clean up your garbage and haul your boxes and your TVs off and stop dumping your garbage on public land. Otherwise, the next step is closure. So we'll see how that goes. But anyways, we'll try to get this cleaned up a couple times a year. And UPL and Desert Roads and Trails Society always plan these cleanup events. And we get a lot of support from the local Bureau of Land Management and the municipalities. In this case, it was Laverton City, so we appreciate them for all their support. Appreciate all the volunteers that have helped with these cleanups in the 25 years I've been involved. We've sure hauled a lot of garbage off of public land, so kudos to all the volunteers, and thanks for coming along for the ride today. Goes on forever. Right, well, here it is. Gotta have our Navajo tacos. Yum yum.
You got honey, don't you?
Yeah. All right, well, this camping trip is a bust. We're gonna sneak on out of here. It's time to get back to the real world. Well, that was a good time. Come out for the week and spend some time with the family and all the kids and friends, and just have an all-around good time. So if life gets crazy, you want to make sure you make that kind of stuff a priority. Make sure you're out here enjoying the great outdoors and your family, and raising those kids up right, because they grow up way too fast. So thanks for joining us. It's a pretty good time, and we'll catch you on the next one.